Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 15 of my Questrade challenge, where we try to grow the portfolio to $100,000 in the first year of investing. Not the first year, but just in 1 year. We're up to $83,062 in the portfolio. Today, it's actually been a very weird day. The time of filming this is February 3rd, so it's the Monday after the tariffs were kind of put into place. So the market actually went crazy this morning. I think I saw it drop down as much as 3-4%. So I'm sorry to anyone who sold off, and that's why you just got to continue the strategy. It actually pulled back up, but as we can see, we're still down on the day. So I'm going to pick up, we have $2,000 to play with, or $2,100. We're going to put that into the S&P 500. I'm sure with some of these things now, no one can predict the market whatsoever, but I think it was just like a knee-jerk effect, a lot of sell-off due to fear. And it kind of goes back to what I was saying in the last video from the book that I read, The Psychology of Money, which I'd recommend you guys read as well, is when everyone's going crazy, stay calm, cool, collected, and continue with the strategy of dollar cost averaging the S&P 500 with VFV, which is exactly what we're gonna do today. I think once we hit our goal, I'm probably going to be pulling some of the money out of the account, just because, as some of you guys already know from the previous videos, I'm going to be buying a piece of real estate. For those of you who don't know, I'm sure a lot of you know about tariffs and what they are, but basically it's importation tax that the US will implement against Canada, and then Canada came in with a retaliatory 25% tariff as well. So basically what this means is the US is more inclined to use US based companies because they'll probably get products for a cheaper price, because when they import it from Canada, they have a 25% increase that the company will have to pay on that. I know I'm not the best at explaining this type of stuff, but hopefully you guys get the point, and I'm sure a lot of you know what the tariffs are meaning anyways, but that's why the market went so crazy today. Now let's jump into it. I'm gonna be buying $2,100 into VFV. We're gonna cost average down, pick up that little dip, and then continue moving forward. So I'm just gonna blur the screen. We're gonna make a couple buys here into VFV.to, which is trading at 154.54 today. It's a little bit of a tongue twister. So we're gonna be buying into this account. Market order and dollar amount, we're gonna be putting in, like I said, 2,100. I'll tell you how many shares that gives us. 13 or so shares at $2,000. Perfect. I'm going to set that through. Awesome. So accounts moving really well. Again, like I said, we're up to $83,000. We're almost at that $100,000 mark. We started in September, 19th of September, and it is February, so about 5 months or so. I don't know if the math's correct, but let's jump over onto the Blossom account so you guys can see how the total dividends of my accounts have been accruing, and then that's what we'll do for today. So we'll check back in 2 seconds. Hey guys, this is the Blossom social app. We're in the dividend forecast tab, and we can see how much money I'm accruing with dividends with my whole portfolio. So this is including my TFSA, FHSA, non-registered accounts, etc. So annually we're making about $4,251 in dividends. On a monthly basis, we're making $354, and on a daily basis, it actually went down slightly from our last video, which tends to happen with dividends. They can go back and forth, but we are at $11.65. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your love and support. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. All the links to the different platforms I'm using are in the description as well, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys again next week. Have a great day and happy investing.